Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Dana out here talking about another passive income opportunity out here. It's a baked bean fort. It's called Wizardly. It's on the Crow network. Okay, so you need to put in the Crow tokens, and then you earn Crow tokens out. It's also paying 8% per day, just like the baked beans project on the Binance Smart Chain. Okay, just as a reminder, you do have fees on this one. It's a little bit different. There's a 3% dev fee, which is the exact as baked beans, but they also have a 2% marketing fee. Okay, so you're going to have these fees when you make a deposit and when you claim. Okay, so you're just going to decide on how much crows that you want to deposit in here. You're just going to hit the deposit button, and then it's the same type of strategy as the baked beans. Okay, so you're going to make your initial deposit, and then about 24 hours later you need to come back in here and compound. So you need to come back to the website about every day and compound for 6 days straight. Okay, so day 1 compound, day 2 compound, day 3, all the way till you get to 6, and then on the 7th day, that's when you're going to come here and claim or take your profit. Okay, and then you make sure you continue that strategy so you can keep your ROI at 8% per day. Okay, otherwise your daily returns or your daily ROI will start to decrease and you won't have as many miners working for you. Okay, of course your strategy is your business, but that's just how the contract is meant to be if you want to keep the 8% returns, and also that's based on the total value locked, okay, in the contract. So it looks like we've got a little over, well, about 1.4 million of Crow tokens deposited into the contract. Okay, before I get too involved, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell if you'd like to be notified of other passive income opportunities. I'll leave my referral link down at the bottom of the description. I'd appreciate it if you would join. If you decide to sign up, would join under me. That'd be awesome. It'll help me with my journey and support the channel as well. Let's look at the contract over here on the blockchain so we can see what's really going on. All right, so as you can see, there is about 616,000 worth of Crow tokens deposited into the contract. This is a new project that just launched, so that's pretty good. Looks like it's got a lot of momentum going. Okay, just make sure you always are checking the contract balance. Make sure you come over here, join their Telegram, check them out on Twitter, join their Discord. Okay, look at their docs, their white papers. Make sure you do your own research. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose, especially in these type of high risk, high yield, high risk, high reward type of protocols. All right. If you don't have the Crow network already on your MetaMask, just come over to chainlist.org, connect your MetaMask wallet, and then add the Cronos network to your MetaMask. Okay. If you don't know how to set up MetaMask, or if you don't know how to do any of that, please look in the description of the video. I have a guide in there on how to set up MetaMask. All right, so that is the overview of the Wizardly on the Cronos network. All right, guys.